Gavana Masea James Orengo nochuno wuoge liel no Maseme mapiyo tok jopiny mane wero wende tuta mrocho liel mar wuonja od bura Maseme James Nyikala. Orengo ne oko mar siwindhe mane itaye nyasi mar liel no gino mane rocho chenro kuom kinde kaka kamano tok wuok mare to chenro no dhi nyime. Jotelo mane ni kanyo ne nigi paro mopogore wi rwako ji mane gi paro mopogore mag siasa koting'o James Nyikala, gavana ma Kisumu Anyang' Nyong'o, kanyakla kod gavana ma Homa Bay mabende en jakom mar ODM Gladys Wanga.
Do we have to have a large group of people? The large is okay, but there must be large that are peaceful. If they're large and they're following us, we must be able to say no.
We are here today on a solemn occasion. We are here today to say goodbye to the father of our friend.
We know where we are, we know where we have come from, and we know where we are going. And we are not going to be confused along the way. We are in the broadest government, we are very clear. And moving forward, ODM party will either be the government or will be part of the coalition that forms the next government in the Republic.
Don't sit on themselves. You are the people here. People and all the senior people who are in this party. Come out, sit together with this clergy, and let us see how we can bring back this party. We can go nowhere with these two factions. That is the truth of the matter.
Jaten DCP Rigathi Gachagua dhi mbele gi seyo Jaten Piny William Ruto mowacho ni